Hello everyone, in this video we are comparing India's two biggest online learning platforms, Unacademy and BYJU'S. In my previous BYJU'S and Vedantu videos, if you are new to the channel, I have also made videos comparing BYJU'S with Vedantu, so you can check out. There is a link in description. In the comment section of that video, each and every person was asking me to compare Unacademy with BYJU'S, and here is the video for you. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing as I make wonderful educational videos on this channel. So let us start by comparing Unacademy with BYJU'S. First we will discuss about the user base, teachers and the teaching method on both of these platforms. BYJU'S has around 70 million user base, whereas Unacademy has only 30 million, but Unacademy has larger amount of teachers. Unacademy has around 18,000 teachers teaching on their platform according to their study, and according to BYJU'S they have around 9,000 teachers teaching on their platform. Now Unacademy has their separate program for teachers where any teacher in India can apply and teach on their platform. Now let us discuss about the teaching method used by both of these platforms. First we will go with BYJU'S. BYJU'S have excellent video quality. The structure of the content in BYJU'S is really very good. They have structured the content pretty nicely and they use graphical interface to teach people, and they have very much succeeded in that. Students find this very much easy when they get visual representation of what they are teaching, but the things are much different in Unacademy. Unacademy take live classes, and personally for me live classes have been more effective than recording classes. Unacademy would be a greater choice because I like to study live when teacher is teaching me live rather than recorded classes in BYJU'S. In my previous video Vedantu and BYJU'S, some of the students debated in the comment section, and there were 50-50 chances. Some student told that they like graphical user interface taught by BYJU'S, and some said they like live classes and they are more effective in. So you write in comment section which classes are helpful to you, whether you are liking live classes by Unacademy and the graphical user interface used by BYJU'S in their videos. Now let us discuss the doubt solving done by both of this platform. I think Unacademy has a greater advantage when it comes to doubt solving, because in BYJU'S you have to mail them to clear your doubts, which is a very long process. I think when I was using the platform BYJU'S, it was taking me around 2 to 3 hours for getting back the answers, but in Unacademy the answers are quickly found on their platform and the teachers are very quick in answering your question. Now let's discuss the scholarship exam. BYJU'S has their BNAT scholarship exam, and as per my opinion BNAT is far better than USAT. Vedantu has USAT scholarship exam, or I don't remember the exact name. The Unacademy scholarship exam is more towards JEE exam and it is only available for JEE and NEET courses, but in BYJU'S you can answer scholarship from 8th standard to 12th standard plus JEE NEET courses. So overall I think BNAT scholarship exam is far better than USAT what Unacademy provides. So my experience with BNAT has been great, and it's a great scholarship exam. You get almost each and every course by BYJU'S for free for 1 year if you get 100 percentile in BNAT exam. Also, if you want to know more about the BNAT scholarship exam, there is a dedicated video I have already made. There will be a link in description, you can also visit. And also I've created video on VSET, the scholarship exam provided by Vedantu. Links are in description. If you want to know more, please refer the description. Now Unacademy and BYJU'S both have very much free content available on their apps and various YouTube channel owned by both of these companies, but in my experience Unacademy has more free content as per BYJU'S. If you are studying in standard 6 to 12, they have paid courses, but there is lot more content which is available for free on their YouTube channel and also their website. So there is link in description. You can also avail all the free courses which are available on Unacademy. Whether if we compare it to BYJU'S only provide free classes for limited period of time on their app, on their website, and I think if the free classes are concerned, Unacademy provides more free classes as compared to BYJU'S. Also, as I told you, Unacademy has live classes, and one biggest advantage of live classes over the recorded classes is you can ask your questions and you can get the answers pretty quickly. So in Unacademy with the live classes, also Vedantu has live classes. So on both these platforms I think the query solving happens really quickly. So to summarize the content which is uploaded on both these platforms, for me live classes work better. It might be different for you. You might like the graphical videos and explanation done by BYJU'S, and it's a subjective opinion. When it comes to doubt, I think Unacademy has kicked away BYJU'S. So in doubt solving, Unacademy is far better. Also BYJU'S has 24 hours refund policy, which Unacademy lacks in. Also, BYJU'S has some helpful helpline numbers and email addresses where you can visit them if you face any problem related to the delivery and also your tablet. But in Unacademy, I sadly couldn't find any helpline number. If there is a helpline number, please write it in the comment section so other students are also helped. So if you are studying in standard 1st to 12th, I think you should go with BYJU'S, because in this period your fundamental needs to be clear, and with the graphical user interface and the graphical videos, I think BYJU'S will teach you better content and in a better way, and your concepts will be clear. But after completing your 10th, in your 11th, 12th, and if you are answering JEE or NEET exam or UPSC and various other exams, competitive exams, then I think Unacademy is the better option for you, because there are specific teachers related to these specific exams and competitive exams. Now finally we will discuss about the pricing. I think BYJU'S prices are really on a higher side as compared to Unacademy. When I purchased BYJU'S tablet 3 years ago, it was around 26,000, and the prices are really increased in this 3 years period. Now around 6 to 12 standard courses are costing between 35,000 to 60,000, whereas Unacademy provides very cheap options and you can study with spending minimum 1,000 rupees per month. If we compare these both platforms on the course prices, I think BYJU'S is the one you should go if you have a budget to spend on your learning and on your education. But if you can't spend, and it's completely fine, I also didn't spend much when I was in 12th and I couldn't spend much. That's why I took Vedantu, which was more cheaper option as compared to BYJU'S. So if you don't have that much budget, please go with Unacademy, and even Vedantu is quite nice. So that was the comparison, guys. Please tell me in the comment section if something got missed from my side. And I have also made various videos on how to get BYJU'S courses for free by answering the BNAT Scholarship exam. Also, I've made videos comparing Vedantu with BYJU'S and USAT Scholarship exam, BNAT Scholarship exam, BYJU'S frauds which are happening. You must watch that video. Also, I've made video on BYJU'S gifts. So if you are a BYJU'S student, how to get gifts from BYJU'S, please watch that video. If you have any query related to BYJU'S, Unacademy and Vedantu, various scholarship provided by them, you can always ask me in the comment section. I will be more than happy to answer your query. So please write your thoughts on the comment section, or else please write something in the comment section, because if you write or like this video, YouTube will recommend it to more people, and more people will be helped who are confused in selecting Unacademy or BYJU'S. So that was the video, guys. This is Jayant signing off. Please subscribe to my channel for amazing analytical tech and business related content. Also, I make videos related to BYJU'S, Unacademy and various other educational videos on this channel. So please subscribe to my channel. This is Jayant signing off. I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Thank you very much.